Look who's here to say hello. Look at that. These are my boiler room brothers. Here comes Ziggy. And here's Marley. And you can see they're really feeling very friendly. Very, very, very much more relaxed than before. I'm getting a visit right outside of the crate. Ziggy's come a long way. I'm getting a visit from him too. Hi, sweetie. Hi. This is the guy that stays buried inside his big box. But you see he's really venturing out. And Bob, Marley, is really coming out. So you see these brothers are really mellowing out. Really, really feeling much better about things. Hello, sweet, sweet. That's a boo-boo. This is 100% delicious. 100% delicious. Yes, it is. I cannot get over it. Hi, sweet, sweet. Give him a boo.
Just stuck it on the floor. This room's going to look totally different in a couple of a little while.
Hey, sweet. Here's your boo.